Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to change your Instagram name but don't know the exact step, then this video is for you. Today I'll show you the easiest way to change your name on Instagram in just a few seconds. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I will also share some important tips you should know before changing your name. First, open your Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Once your profile opens, tap on Edit Profile. Here you will see two options, name, username. If you want to change your display name, edit the name section. Or if you want to change your Instagram ID, then edit the username section. Now tap on the section you want to change, whether it's your name or username. Then enter the new name you want to use. Once you have typed it, tap on the checkmark icon at the top right corner. After that, a pop-up will appear. And inside that pop-up, you will see an option called Change Name. Simply tap on it and your name will be changed successfully. Now listen carefully. You can change your Instagram name only twice in 14 days.